Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to get the um, QR or scan code for your Cash App if you want to make a birthday t-shirt. So you can see here on my screen, I have three images. So when you go to Cash App on your phone and click on it, the first screen that's going to come up is this screen. And in the top left corner, you're going to click on this little button here. When you click on that button, it's going to bring you up to this screen. And of course, your picture will look different. It's based on whatever your phone is aimed at. And you're going to click on this My QR code. When you click on My QR code, it's then going to give you your Cash App code. Okay, so anytime someone takes their cell phone, puts it on the camera, and then takes their camera and aim it at this code, it's going to give them your Cash App information. Okay, that's if they'd like to contribute to your birthday celebration. Okay, all right, so that's how you get your QR code in Cash App. Now, I'm going to take you back and we're going to go over to Cricut Design Space. So in Cricut Design Space, if you would like to design you a t-shirt, several ways you can do it. So I have a template of a t-shirt, and you can make your t-shirt whatever color you want. We're going to start on the left hand side with our text, and we're going to say it's my 56th birthday. Cash out me. We're going to do it like that. See how it turns out. Let me see what made it right because I don't have my glasses on. Just want to be able to see here and see what I spelled wrong because I know I did something wrong. So let's do this. It's on. It's my 56th birthday. Man, I typed loud. All right, so I have it's my 56th birthday. Cash out me. Okay, so you have your text. If you want to curve the text, then you can curve the text with this little feature here that says curve. But before I do that, I have my font on Beefcakes. I tend to find that I do like the thicker fonts, even though I like the fancy, thinner fonts too. But for some reason, I like this font, Beefcakes. I think it's more supposed to be for males, but I don't know. I really like it. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to curve this. So you want to make sure you have your font selected. And then to curve it, you would just take and click on that little curve, and it will allow you to curve it as far as it can go. So that is as far as it can actually go. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it around this way so that it's my is at the top. Okay, so you could put your it's my birthday, cash out me, or it's my 56th birthday, cash out me. And then I'm going to go to upload, and I've already uploaded my code because I was playing around with it earlier. So you'll just, once you get your code, upload it to your computer or your phone, and don't remove the background or anything. Just let it come in just like it does with the white background. And then you could take your QR code and put it in the middle. So I'm going to open up this just a little bit so that my QR code fits nice and pretty inside of it without touching anything. All right, there we have it. So let me do this, and I'm going to group, and then I'm going to bring it over just like that. So it's just that easy. So in order for this you could actually do vinyl for the letters and then do transfer. I showed you how to do the transfers today, or talk you through the process of doing the transfer. Have the transfer separate so that you will print out your QR code on transfer paper, and then you could do your vinyl in the words. At least that's how I'm going to do mine. And so you can see here that your beefcakes, your letters, it's going to cut it out. So you would just put your vinyl down, and then you have your cut and print for your cash out part. So at this point, we have everything together there. And I'm going to have the words to be by themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and flatten. And I'm flattening it because, not flattening, I'm sorry. I don't want it to be a cut and print. I don't know what I was thinking there. All right, so I have all of my birthday information there. So I'm going to click on the cut and print, and I am going to not cut and print my letters. I'm going to click on that because I want it all to be as one. So I'm going to attach it so that it stays in place there. And I think I had them both selected. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. I want the words by themselves. But you get what I'm saying, right? You get it, right? So this is going to be your cut and print, your QR code. That's going to be a cut and print. You'll use your transfer sheet to put that on your shirt. And then this you'll do in vinyl. So notice that it says cut. So nothing is going to the printer here. This is just going to cut out on your shirt. So you just want to make sure that you have the right sizing for it. So this is 5.78 and 5.878, which is really large. So you do want to go in and make that smaller. So I would say a 4x4. A 4x4 should be big enough. Okay. And when you click on make it, you're going to have your cut and print. This is what's going to the printer. And then you're going to have your heat transfer for It's My Birthday. And you don't have to worry about resizing it here because you can actually just lay it on the shirt the right way. But if you want to, you could do it here like that. And then you want to make sure you mirror because you're using vinyl. So here you're going to select mirror. You are not going to do anything with the print and cut unless, if you're using light, then you mirror. And if you're using dark, then you don't mirror for this part. Okay. So I'm going to be putting mine on, I guess this is the time for me to go ahead and get rid of some of this light vinyl. So I'm going to go ahead and mirror and maybe put it on a light color shirt. So in this case, you would mirror if it's going on a light color shirt. Okay, so you got your heat transfer portion mirrored, and then you got your QR code mirrored. But now keep in mind, if you're going to be placing this on dark color t-shirt, then you don't mirror. Okay, so I just want to walk through that with you really quickly. It's really easy to create that t-shirt if you want to do one for your birthday or what have you, and showing you the use of the curve functionality. All right, guys, that's it. And that is my story. And as always, you know, my motto is thank you all for being a part of my Facebook group, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters, where each one reach one so that each one can teach one. Have a great day, guys.